Once again, hello, welcome back to Adelaide Boat Sales. I'm Kieran, and today we're down at the beautiful Royal South Australian Yacht Squadron here in SA. The boat we're going to be going over is a very well kept, rather beautiful 1982 Olsen 40. The boat itself presents quite well, quite tidy for the age, so we'll have a general look through as we always do. And the weather's perfectly suited to go out for a light cruise. There's not much wind, so we'll head out there, hopefully get the sails up and just have a lovely time on the water. But I hope you enjoy. Let's have a look through and see how she presents. Moving below decks, you can see the beautiful Timberwork. Lots of seating around the central saloon area with the fold-out table. Nav station is off to starboard. Looking back, you can see just adjacent to the nav station there, you've got your galley. Moving forward is your V-berth, your double V-berth, and just to port here is your shower and head with plenty of cupboard space. Here we're at the galley, double stainless steel sink, you've got your Tectic fridge, freezer and oven on gimbal. Now behind the nav station is a bit of a garage slash storage area, pantry even, and across the way is your aft cabin. And there we have it, 1982 Olsen 40. It was a wonderful day on the water. As you can see, beautiful yacht, ready to go cruising, definitely suited to that liveaboard lifestyle, that blue water cruising lifestyle. So please do get in contact with Adelaide Boat Sales if you'd like to arrange an inspection or would like more information. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.